In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add pages to your Shopify store navigation menu. This is a crucial aspect of managing your online store, as it helps improve the user experience, making it easier for customers to find the information they need. Let's dive right in and make your store more organized and user-friendly. To start off, open your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you're in, look over to the left sidebar where you'll see a list of options. Click on Online Store. After clicking, you'll notice a drop-down menu appearing just beneath it. In this expanded menu, select Navigation. Here, you'll be able to see all the menus currently set up for your store. Now, on this page, you'll have a view of your main menu and footer menu. These are the most common areas where navigation links are placed. Let's say you want to add a new page to your main menu. Click on the Main Menu link to proceed. You'll enter a new section that displays all current links under the main menu. In the upper right part of this section, you'll find a button that says Add Menu Item. Click that button, and you'll see a pop-up window prompting you to name your new menu item and to link it to a specific page. Naming should be clear and straightforward, for example, About Us or Contact. This helps visitors quickly understand what they will find when they click the link. Next, click on the Link field. A new menu will drop down, showing different types of pages, such as Home, Collections, Products, and Pages. Choose Pages from this list, and you'll see another list appear containing the pages you have created on your store. Select the page you want to add to your navigation menu. Once you've chosen the page, you'll notice the link automatically getting filled in the field, saving you from manually entering any URLs. After finalizing both the name and the link for your menu item, it's time to save your progress. Click the Add button you'll see in the pop-up window. This action will close the window and add your new menu item to the list of existing ones. Finally, confirm your changes by clicking the Save Menu button located at the top right of the page. It's important not to skip this step, as neglecting to save will mean your modifications won't be applied. And there you have it. You've just successfully added a page to your Shopify store's navigation menu. Hopefully, this step-by-step guide has helped clarify the process for you. By improving your navigation structure, you're enhancing your customers' shopping experience, potentially leading to increased satisfaction and sales. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful Shopify tips.